Hello, Katrina with you again. With the March non-farm payrolls data coming tomorrow, James would like to show you his overall longer-term view of the markets. To the contrary of most analysts, at the moment the picture appears bearish in equities and is evidenced in the following charts. Here is the high multiple sector of market as seen through the eyes of Russell 2000 futures. You can see this long-term resistance which is signaling a potential move down in the near future. Take a look at that. Here you can see the border market via S&P futures, which is also in the area of multi-year long-term resistance. As here, right here. And here's copper. Copper remains in the solid downtrend, having recently failed both at the trend resistance and horizontal resistance. Here's trend resistance and the horizontal one. To the James, this is signaling further commodity complex weakness. James will use any rallies in the equities to continue building short positions from here. Tomorrow's NFP number could be yet another opportunity for this. Thank you for watching. Oh my god, I better go.